Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle? In the face of economic volatility, the importance of having a secondary income stream cannot be overstated. Today, we're going to delve into the top side hustles for 2024, providing you with insights into the most lucrative opportunities. First on the list is driving for rideshare services such as Uber or Lyft. This flexible side hustle can be quite profitable with the potential to earn more based on factors like location and peak times. Alternatively, you could also consider becoming a delivery driver for food services like Uber Eats or DoorDash, which also offers the opportunity to earn tips. Next, online content creation has emerged as a popular and potentially lucrative side hustle. This includes blogging, creating YouTube videos, and podcasting. The beauty of online content creation is that it allows you to share your passion with the world while earning an income. Virtual assistant services have also seen a surge in demand, with businesses and entrepreneurs needing help managing their day-to-day tasks. Offering your skills as a virtual assistant can be a versatile and rewarding side hustle. Dropshipping has become a profitable venture in the e-commerce industry. By selling products directly to the customer without holding any inventory, you can start a dropshipping business with little upfront costs. Freelance writing remains a reliable side hustle, with a constant demand for content in various niches. If you have a way with words, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. Affiliate marketing has also emerged as a thriving side hustle. By promoting products and earning a commission on each sale, affiliate marketers can enjoy financial and time freedom. Finally, pilots grounded by the pandemic have found creative side hustles, from selling artisan condiments to starting their own businesses. This goes to show that side hustles can come from unexpected circumstances and can be a great way to pursue your passions. In summary, the top side hustles for 2024 include driving for rideshare services, online content creation, virtual assistant services, dropshipping, freelance writing, and affiliate marketing. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is to find something that aligns with your skills and passions. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or explore a new career path, these side hustles offer a wealth of opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these side hustles today and secure your financial future.